Hello students and welcome to your English language class. Today in this class we'll be taking up the second half of the play If I Were You, written by Douglas James. Now we've already read that Gerard, who's a playwright, lives in a small cottage, and one day an intruder breaks into his house, and he's holding a gun in his hand, and he starts the conversation with Gerard, wherein he wants to know everything about Gerard because he's intending to murder Gerard and take his place. Okay, so he wants to take on his identity and live the rest of his life like Gerard. Okay, so okay. So Gerard says, "You seem to have taken a considerable amount of trouble. Since you know so much about me, won't you say something about yourself? You've been so modest." Okay, so they are talking, and Gerard is saying that you've done your homework, you know a great deal about me. Now it's time that you tell something about yourself also. Okay, now that you've been so humble and you've been so modest. Okay, so that's kind of a sarcastic comment that he gives to the intruder. Then the intruder replies, "I could tell you plenty. You think you are smart, but I'm the top of the class round here. I've got brains and I use them. That's how I've got where I have." So the intruder replies sarcastically too that you are not only the smart guy around here, I'm smarter than you. Okay, and I've got brains and I use them wisely, and that is how I have come so far in my life. "And where precisely you've got?" Now Gerard again makes fun of him, and he asks that where precisely do you think that your brains have got you? It didn't require a great brain to break into my little cottage. और वो कहता है मेरे कॉटेज में इस तरीके से फोर्सिबली एंटर करने के लिए तुम्हें ज़्यादा ब्रेन्स यूज़ नहीं करने पड़े होंगे. So intruder says, "When you know why I have broken into your little cottage, you'll be surprised, and it won't be a pleasant surprise." So again, the intruder tries to scare him off that I have come here with a purpose, and it'll be quite surprising for you, and trust me, it won't be a pleasant surprise. Okay. So Gerard says, "With you figuring so largely in it, that is understandable. By the way, what particular line of crime do you embrace? Or aren't you a specialist?" Okay. तो अब Gerard उसको कहता है कि तुम which particular line of crime do you embrace, मतलब किस particular line of crime में तुम engaged हो, and are you a specialist? Okay, I think you are a specialist in whatever crime you are dealing with. You seem to be a specialist in that. So intruder says, "My specialty is jewel robbery." Okay, so that's what he claims, that I'm a specialist in jewel robbery. "Your car will do me a treat. It's certainly a dandy bus." So dandy bus means excellent fancy car. Okay, and he says that your car will do me a treat, will give me a lot of joy. Okay, that means if he'll sell it off, it'll give him plenty of money. Okay, so Gerard says, "I'm afraid jewels are few and far between in the wilds of Essex." Now the place where Gerard is living presently is quite lonesome, and here you can't find too many people residing, and so jewels will be minimal in that area. Okay, intruder says, "So are the cops. If jewels are less, so even the cops are less around here. I can retire here nicely for a little while." So that's his plan, that he wants to just live in a secluded, isolated place where nobody can identify him, okay, and he'll be safe. So Gerard says, you mean to live with me? A trifle sudden, isn't it? You've not been invited. अब Gerard फिर से अब look, Gerard is a playwright, so it's his profession to write dialogues. Okay, so that's why he's being so witty and he's giving so many sarcastic comments to the intruder. Okay, in a humorous way. So you mean to live with me? That's what he says to the intruder, who's saying that I want to retire here for quite some time. So Gerard कहता है कि क्या तुम मेरे साथ यहाँ रहने वाले हो? Okay. A little sudden, trifle, a little sudden, isn't it? कि ये कुछ एकदम से अचानक से नहीं हो रहा है. You've not been invited. I have not invited you, and you've appeared all of a sudden here. So I'm in a bit of a shock. So intruder says, you won't be here long, so I didn't trouble to ask. अब intruder कहता है तुम जब यहाँ पर रहने ही नहीं वाले हो तो मैं तुमसे पूछ कर क्या करता. What do you mean? This is your big surprise? I'm going to kill you. अब intruder reveal करता है that this is your big surprise and I'm here to kill you. A little harsh, isn't it? अब वो कहता है कि ये isn't it a little cruel on your part? Intruder with heavy sarcasm, yes. Yeah, I'll be sorry to do it. Okay. I've taken a fancy to you. Means I've started liking you, but it's just got to be done. लेकिन मुझे ये काम करना ही पड़ेगा. Even though I've started liking you, but I will have to kill you. Okay. So Gerard says, why add murder to your other crimes? It's a grave step you're taking. तो Gerard उसको warn करता है that you will be adding murder to your other crimes. Whatever crime you're doing, you will be adding murder to your crime, and it will be a grave step. Grave means serious. That will be a grave step, serious step you are taking. So intruder replies that I'm not taking it for fun. I've been hunted long enough. Hunted means chased. Maybe he was a wanted criminal and all the cops were after him, after his life, and they were chasing him. Okay, I'm wanted for murder already. So he admits that he's a murderer and he has already murdered someone and they can't hang me twice. So अगर आप एक मर्डर करो तब भी उसकी जो सज़ा होगी that will be capital punishment. Okay, you'll be hanged, and if you murder twice or thrice, then also the same punishment will be there. So it doesn't make any difference to the intruder. So Gerard says, you are planning a gratuitous double, so to speak. Gratuitous means without good reason. Okay, so that's a rubbish plan that you have. Admitted you have nothing to lose, but what have you to gain? Okay, fine. तुम मुझे मार के हो सकता है तुम्हें कुछ लूज़ ना करना पड़े. You will be losing nothing. But what will you gain after murdering me? Intruder says, I've got freedom to gain. Okay, मुझे आज़ादी मिल जाएगी तुम्हें मार के. As for myself, I'm a poor hunted rat. वो कहता है कि जैसे बिल्ली चूहों के पीछे पड़ी रहती हैं वैसे ही कॉप्स हैं वो क्रिमिनल्स के पीछे पड़े रहते हैं. सो ही इज़ comparing himself with a poor chased after or hunted rat. As Vincent Charles Gerard, I'm free to go places and do nothing. So he wanted to be a free man, and when he'll be taking up his identity, Vincent Charles Gerard's identity, he'll be a free man and he'll be able to go places without any hitch. Okay, I can eat well and sleep and without having to be ready to beat it at the sight of a cop. Okay, so he'll be all free and he won't be scared anymore at the sight of a cop. Okay, he won't have to rush from the place wherever he sees a cop. ठीक है, जैसे ही कोई पुलिस वाला देखता है तो उसको वहाँ से भागना पड़ता था डर के मारे, because he is a hardcore criminal and he is wanted for a murder. Okay, but if he takes on the identity of Vincent Charles Gerard, he'll be a free man. Okay, nobody will be chasing him thereafter. So now Gerard says, in most melodramas, the villain is foolish enough to delay his killing long enough to be frustrated. You are much luckier. जेरार्ड कहता है कि बहुत सारे जो प्लेज होते हैं या मेलोड्रामाज होते हैं, सेंसेशनल ड्रामाज जो होते हैं, उसमें क्या होता है, विलन बातें करता रहता है और जो किलिंग है उसको डिले करता रहता है, ठीक है, और खुद ही फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाता है, बट तुम काफ़ी लकी हो. Intruder says, I'm okay. I've got a reason for everything. I'm going to be Vincent Charles Gerard. See, I've got to know what he talks like. Now I know. That posh stuff comes easy. This is Mr. V.C. Gerard speaking. Pantomime of phoning in imitation cultured voice. And that's not all. He stands up. Get up a minute. Gerard stands. Now take a look at me. अब इंट्रूडर कहता है, ओ आई एम ओके and I've got a reason for doing everything, whatever I'm doing, I've got a reason behind it, and I'm going to be Vincent Charles Gerard. See, look at my attire. I've dressed up just like you. I've got to know what he talks like. और मुझे ये जानना था कि Vincent Charles Gerard बातें कैसे करता है, and that also I know. Now, that posh stuff comes easy. Now, he's a very cultured kind of a guy. So, for that also he's remarking that you are a posh person, upper class. Okay, posh stuff means upper class. So you are a upper class man, and this is Mr. V.C. Gerard speaking. So pantomime of phoning means a silent imitation of phone. ओके जैसे कि फ़ोन की बेल जो बजती है तो वो उसको इमिटेट करता है और फिर उसकी तरह उसकी वॉइस को इमिटेट करके दिखाता है. दैट दिस इज़ मिस्टर वी.सी. जेरार्ड स्पीकिंग. एंड दैट्स नॉट ऑल. ही स्टैंड्स अप. गेट अप अ मिनट. और जेरार्ड को कहता है कि उठ के एक बार देखो. नाउ टेक अ लुक एट मी. और मेरी तरफ देखो. जेरार्ड सेज, यू आर नॉट पर्टिकुलरली डेकोरेटिव. और वो कहता है कि तुम इतने ज़्यादा फाइन लुकिंग नहीं हो. ओके, यू आर नॉट एज फाइन लुकिंग एज आई एम. Intruder says, no, well, that goes for you too. वो कहता है ये तो तुम्हारे लिए भी सेम बात मैं कह सकता हूँ. I've only got to wear specs and I'll be enough like you to get away with. कि मुझे बस specs पहनने की देरी है और I'll be your look-alike. Okay. So Gerard says, what about your clothes? They'll let you down if you are not careful. कि तुम्हारे जो अटायर तुमने, the way you have dressed up is not actually the kind of dress I wear, and you've got to be really careful. So Intruder replies, that'll be all right. Yours will fit me fine. वो कहता है, I'll borrow your clothes, okay, and I hope that'll fit me fine. कि वो कपड़े तुम्हारे जो हैं वो बिल्कुल सही तरीके से मुझे आ जाएंगे. Because we are more or less the same size. So Gerard says, that is extremely interesting. But you seem to miss the point of my remark. I said you were luckier than most melodramatic villains. It was not a tribute to your intelligence. You won't kill me for a very good reason. अब वो कहता है, ओके फाइन, जो भी तुम बता रहे हो इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, बट जो मेरा पॉइंट है, जो मेरा रिमार्क मैंने किया था, वो तुमने मिस कर दिया उस पॉइंट को. ओके, मैंने कहा था कि तुम बहुत सारे मेलोड्रामेटिक विलन से लकी हो. ठीक है, क्यों? ये मैंने तुम्हें एक श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए नहीं बात बोली थी. इट वॉज नॉट अ ट्रिब्यूट टू योर इंटेलिजेंस. ओके, यू वॉन्ट किल मी फॉर अ वेरी गुड रीज़न. ओके, कि तुम मुझे एक बहुत अच्छे रीज़न के लिए नहीं मारोगे. सो दैट्स वॉट यू थिंक. यू लेट मी गो एंड थैंक गॉड यू डिडंट शूट सूनर. कि तुम मुझे जल्दी ना मार के अपने ऊपर एहसान करोगे और तुम मुझे जाने दोगे और भगवान का शुक्रिया करोगे कि तुमने मुझे पहले नहीं शूट कर दिया. कम ऑन, व्हाट्स ऑन योर माइंड? बेटर बी क्विक, दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन बोर्स मी. अब इंट्रूडर को भी बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम क्यूरोसिटी होने लगी दैट व्हाट्स ऑन हिज माइंड, व्हाई इज टॉकिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, व्हाई आई शुडंट किल हिम, एंड he wanted to know the reason, and he says that this conversation is becoming boring now, so come out of it. Okay, your idea is to elude the police by killing me and taking on my identity. वो कहते हैं that you want to fool the police, okay, you want to kill me and take on my identity. Yes, I like the idea, but are you sure it's going to help you? But क्या ऐसा करने से तुम्हें एक्चुअल में कुछ हेल्प मिलेगी? Now listen here, I've got all this planned. I did a job in town. Things went wrong and I killed a cop. Since then I've done nothing but dodge. So the intruder says, okay, fine. I've got all this planned. I've done a lot of planning, and I used to do a job in town. Things went wrong somehow. All the things went wrong, and I killed a cop. Okay. Since then, I've done nothing but dodge. Dodge means escape. So since then, he's been escaping. He's been shifting places. Okay. So Gerard says, and this is where dodging has brought you. So वो कहता है कि ये जो तुम छुपते छुपाते इधर उधर भाग रहे हो, तो तुम अब फाइनली यहाँ तक पहुँचे हो उसकी वजह से. So intruder says, it brought me to Aylesbury. That's where I saw you in the car. 2 other people saw you and started to talk, and I listened. It looks like you are a bit queer, kind of a mystery man. तो वो कहता है कि नहीं, मैं एस्केप करते हुए कहाँ तक पहुँचा? मैं आइल्सबरी तक पहुँचा. एक प्लेस है आइल्सबरी, वहाँ पे मैंने तुम्हें अपनी कार में बैठे हुए देखा. 2 और लोगों ने तुम्हें नोटिस किया, एंड दे स्टार्टेड टू टॉक अबाउट यू, एंड आई जस्ट लिसन टू देयर टॉक्स. ओके, I overheard them, and it looks like you are a bit queer. Queer means strange. Okay, kind of a mystery man. So you are a kind of a strange man. You are quite mysterious, and nobody knows much about you. So Gerard says, a mystery which I propose to explain. Okay, so he says that I would like to explain on the kind of mystery I am. So intruder says, disregarding him without even paying attention to whatever he's speaking, he says, you phone your orders and sometimes you go away suddenly and come back just the same. Those are just the things I want to do. Hearing about you was one of my luckiest breaks. वो कहता है, ना तो तुम कहीं ज़्यादा आते जाते हो, तुम सिर्फ फ़ोन पे ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हो, और कभी कभी थोड़ी देर के लिए अचानक से जाते हो और जल्दी से वापस आ जाते हो. सो दैट इज़ वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू डू. ओके, and hearing about you was my luckiest opportunity that I got in my life. So Gerard says, apparently you haven't the intelligence to ask why I am invested in this cloak of mystery. और वो जेरार्ड रिप्लाई करता है कि शायद तुमने इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाया, कि तुमने ये जानने की कोशिश नहीं की कि वाई आई एम ड्रेस्ड अप इन दिस overcoat of mystery, okay, or in this cloud of mystery, why I'm like this, why I'm always mysterious, why nobody knows about me that well. You should have invested your time and energy in knowing all about me, but you know nothing about me. Okay, so I hope you've understood so far. We'll be taking up the rest of it in the next class. Okay, so till then, just write all the difficult words, okay, in your fair notebook, and submit your homework by 3 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.